Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're building or upgrading your PC, you need a solid CPU cooler, and you don't have to go liquid to get great performance. Today, we're breaking down the best air CPU coolers that deliver serious cooling without the premium price tag. We're covering everything from budget-friendly picks to high-end options, so whether you're gaming, streaming, or just keeping things cool, we've got the perfect cooler for your build. All the product links are in the description below. Check them out to compare prices and find the best deals. Let's jump in. Product 5. Be Quiet. Dark Rock Pro 5. Quiet cooling CPU cooler. Looking for a top-tier CPU cooler for your gaming rig? Meet the Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120 SE, built for performance. Reason 1. Dual 120mm PWM fans deliver exceptional cooling power. Keep your CPU temps low, even during intense gaming marathons. Reason 2. Advanced AGHP technology ensures optimal heat dissipation. 6 pure copper heat pipes tackle heat efficiently from any orientation. Reason 3. Wide compatibility with Intel and AMD platforms. Supports AM4, AM5, LGA 1700, 1200, 115X, and more. Installation is a breeze with included metal fasteners. Compact 155mm height fits most mid-tower cases easily. Noise level stays low, just 25.6 dBA at max speed. Dual tower design leaves room for tall RAM modules. Perfect for PC builders, gamers, and performance enthusiasts. Upgrade your cooling, give your CPU the performance it deserves. Ready to boost your PC? Check out the link in the description to see why PC enthusiasts can't stop talking about it. Product 4. Thermalright PS120SE RGB CPU Air Cooler. Ever felt your PC overheat in the middle of a game? I remember losing a match because my system lagged. It wasn't just a game, it was my passion, my escape. That day I promised myself, no more lost moments. I searched for a solution that truly protects my experience. Then I found the Thermalright PS120SE ARGB CPU Air Cooler. 7 powerful heat pipes with AGHP technology, built for real performance. Dual PWM fans keep temperatures low and noise even lower. Customizable ARGB lighting brings my build to life, every color I love. It fits my AMD and Intel setups, no hassle, just reliability. Industrial-grade materials mean it lasts, over 20,000 hours strong. My PC runs smoother, cooler, and looks stunning each time. No more missed victories, no more overheating heartbreaks. Let your passion shine and perform. Choose Thermalright. Click the link in the description to see why this cooler is a favorite among PC builders. Product 3. Thermalright Aqua Elite 240 V3 water cooling CPU cooler. Ever seen a CPU cooler that glows like a nebula? Meet the Thermalright Aqua Elite 240 V3. Pure performance, pure spectacle. Watch as dual ARGB fans burst into vibrant color sync. Not just lights, these fans blast cool air at 66.97 CFM. Listen closely, or don't. It's whisper quiet under 23 dBA. Octagonal pump head, exclusive, futuristic, built to last 40,000 hours. 3,300 RPM pump delivers relentless cooling, even during marathon gaming. ARGB halo glows beneath the logo, creating a visual masterpiece. Sync lighting to your motherboard. 1600 W soft color effects, endless style. SFDB bearings and silicone pads silence vibration and noise. Installation? Effortless. AMD and Intel support. All accessories included. Aluminium fins, mesh water pipes, engineered for maximum heat dissipation. Manual or automatic fan speed, always optimal, always cool. Ready for high-performance gaming, creative work, or overclocking. Build boldly, cool brilliantly. Make your PC a showpiece. Upgrade to Aqua Elite 240 V3, where power meets artistry. Check the link in the description to see why this cooler is making waves among performance enthusiasts. Product 2. Dark Rock Pro 5. Quiet cooling. CPU cooler Is your gaming rig overheating during intense sessions? Annoyed by loud fan noise disrupting your focus? Struggling to keep your overclocked CPU cool and stable? Tired of complicated cooler installations and messy setups? Meet the Be Quiet. Dark Rock Pro 5 CPU Cooler. 7 copper heat pipes deliver exceptional heat dissipation. Dual silent wings fans ensure ultra-quiet operation always. Switch between quiet and performance modes with Speed Switch. Enjoy up to 2000 RS min for peak cooling or 1500 RS min silence. Vibration isolating fan mounts minimize noise and turbulence. Easy top-down installation with a detachable mesh cover. Compatible with liquid metal thermal grease for max performance. Sleek all-black design matches any high-end gaming build. German engineering ensures reliable, premium quality cooling. Stay cool, silent, and stylish. Upgrade your PC's performance. Hit the link in the description to find out why this cooler stands out from the rest. Product 1. Thermalright TL M12Q X3 120mm PC. Case cooling fans. Most PC builders think more fans mean more cables. I'm a hardware reviewer specializing in gaming PC builds. Cable clutter can hurt airflow and complicate installation. Thermalright TL M12Q X3 fans solve this with daisy chain design. One cable per fan cluster simplifies cable management instantly. High-quality SFDB bearings eliminate blade wobble and reduce noise. You get quiet operation, even at high speeds up to 2000 RPM. ARGB dual infinity mirrors create stunning, customizable lighting effects. Both sides feature vibrant, synchronized ARGB illumination. PWM control lets your motherboard adjust fan speed automatically. This ensures optimal cooling based on system temperature. Use these fans for case or CPU cooling. Versatile and powerful. In my tests, they kept gaming rigs cool and visually impressive. No more cable mess, just efficient airflow and premium aesthetics. Upgrade your build with Thermalright TL M12Q X3 for peak performance. Ready to simplify your setup? Click the link in the description to see how these fans can take your system's cooling to the next level. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and builds. Your support helps the channel grow and keeps us bringing you the best PC gear out there.